Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade like a pro. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, which should give you around 1 1/2 cups of juice. Also, have 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water ready. Don't forget a large pitcher, a juicer, and a fine mesh strainer. Now, let's craft the perfect base for your lemonade. Begin by carefully juicing your lemons, making sure to strain out any seeds or large pieces of pulp for a smooth drink. Next, prepare a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently until the sugar completely dissolves, then set it aside to cool down. This is where the magic happens. Once your simple syrup has cooled, pour it into your large pitcher along with the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now, add the remaining 3 cups of cold water, stirring everything thoroughly to combine. Take a moment to taste your creation. You can adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding a little more water or simple syrup until it's just right for you. Your professional-grade lemonade is almost ready. For the best flavor, chill your lemonade for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When serving, pour it over ice and consider garnishing with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.